Isn't that paparazzi, bro?
Let me just flip this over. What's up, guys? Zach Transy here from Zach and That Eagle, and I'm with
Shadow Wolf.
Shadow Wolf. We are here live at Forest Avenue Station of the M. Over there. And here we have the legendary, one and only Shadow Wolf.
Collections.
So tell us about yourself.
Can't see me. Whatever.
All right then. So you know, it's been a while. We've been planning this meetup for like a long time, but finally,
Got me Shadow Wolf.
yep. If only Alex was here too. If
Whoa,
only.
whoa, whoa, whoa. You can have me on Facebook at my real name, which has my profile picture. And you don't get Shadow angry, or else the wolf will get you.
Yeah, and plus it's nighttime too, so you know. The best time
Friday
for a wolf.
13, I'm gonna kill somebody. Oh, what do we have here? No, there were 9 serpents.
There was. I think it was like 6, or probably 6. It was 6 old gens, next gens, and Excelsiors. That was like that came past here as not in service.
I hope I don't see B-52.
You know what happens.
Gates have me, nigga.
Gates out, nigga. Well, since we're over here cursing and shit, I guess this can't be a Zach and Eagle video, sadly. It's cool.
Shadow Production saying, believe that, bitch.
So, this is Zach Transit also saying that
Believe that, bitch.
Alright, it's Zach Transit signing off with a short video that probably made no sense, but whatever.
And one question. Fire no!
Alright, I'll see you guys next time.